Hey guys, welcome to Mansi.design. Today we will see how to make this Independence Day filter using Spark Air and Photoshop. So let's start the tutorial. You can watch my previous video on the nude makeup tutorial to continue this filter. So you need to take a PNG flag and place it on the cheeks, then export the only flag image in PNG format. Then select Face Tracker, right click, add object, then select Face Mesh. Then by selecting Face Mesh, select Add Material. Create a new material, then name the material as Flag. Then choose the file, then select the flag PNG image. Then change the shader type to Face Paint. Then play with the opacity. Then right click and add object and create a plane. Then move the plane downwards and scale it. And create a new material and rename the material. Then choose a file and take an Independence Day image, then adjust it on the screen by moving back and forth. Always change the compression of the image texture to none so that the quality is not compromised. Then again right click and add object and select ambient light. Now you can see the difference in this filter. For this kind of exciting video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Bye bye.